Excel's not usually the program that we first think of when it comes to views. That's usually things like Word or PowerPoint. But Excel actually has 3 views in total, plus a custom option which we're not covering today, but 3 standard views, and they're really useful when you need them, as is everything. So our first view is the one that we use all the time, and this is called Normal. If we look in the bottom right hand corner next to our zoom command, you can see we've got 3 buttons which are the 3 standard views. So the first one, of course, is normal. It's what we work in and will always bring you back to how your spreadsheet usually looks. The second one, page layout, will show you how your page is going to look printed out, and the default is portrait A4. So you can see in my example it's actually columns A to G, and I can scroll down and see it's actually 65 rows. On a standard spreadsheet with the standard column widths, it's usually around A to H or I in terms of the columns, and approximately 55 rows. So it's always going to adjust slightly depending on your spreadsheet size. The third view that we've got is actually page break preview, which lets us see how overall it's going to break. So in this example you can see I'm actually quite happily on 2 pages and it's going down, so page 1, page 2 will go down and then across. We can change these settings along, but really useful to be aware of these different views to see different parts of your spreadsheet as you need them. Let's go back to standard, to my normal view. Hopefully you've enjoyed this quick look at the views. If you do, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, it really does help. And if you're enjoying the videos, remember to click on the subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos.